Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by removing the battery and locating all screws. There are often hidden ones under labels and bumpers, so peel carefully. Use a Torx T8 and small Phillips to loosen fasteners while keeping parts organized. Once screws are out, insert a plastic prying tool into the seam and gently separate halves. This prevents cracking the shell. Make sure to keep the triggers and faceplate aligned as you open, because internal springs and cables sit under tension and shift easily. Once opened, you'll inspect the PCB and silicone button membranes. Dirt and oxidized contacts cause unresponsive buttons. Use 90% plus isopropyl alcohol on a swab to remove grime, then let components air dry. This restores conductivity. If contact pads are worn, gently abrade with a clean pencil eraser and re-clean, only if necessary. Replace torn silicone domes or misaligned rubber pegs, because proper tactile return depends. You reassemble by aligning the shell halves, making sure triggers and bumpers sit in their gates, then tighten screws snugly. Over-tightening may strip threads. Once assembled, pair the controller and run a full button test on your console or PC. Diagnostics pinpoint stuck or dead buttons. If a button still fails, swap the faulty membrane or PCB section. These are common replacements. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, check solder joints and ribbon contacts for cold joints. A resolder often fixes flicker issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.